Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TechDroid Daily. So we got leaked the Samsung Galaxy C5 pics hint at the bizarre HTC One M9 similarities. Typically, it's device manufacturers like HTC and LG that are accused of finding the inspiration in Samsung or Apple design. Names and marketing tactics all thought the allegation often have a little factual or historic support. The Samsung comes to under a fire for reportedly exploring the release of a uncommonly powerful mid-range smartphone, strongly reassembling the HTC One M9, and for that matter, several past flagships of the Taiwanese company. Let's take a step back and clarify the Galaxy C5 is not out yet. It's not even been formally unveiled, and despite many solid indications of its imminence, it might still turn out to be a big hoax. As such, it feels a tad silly to debate the possible designs and compare them to existing products. Nonetheless, if the C5 is real and it looks as this freshly leaked image suggests, the ensuing controversy will be massive specification including a 5.2-inch Full HD display, an octa-core Snapdragon 617 processor, and an Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and yes, 4 GB of RAM. We honestly don't know if we should feel good or sad about the Galaxy C5 and the C7 reportedly hitting the exclusive for Chinese stores. Next one about the upcoming Note 6. One Vivo user has decided to put out either the conjunction or inside dirt about the Galaxy Note 6. It's been framed as a leak since that user has been putting out some convincing material, including what are supposedly press render of the Honor 5C. But don't be taken back if any of these comes up fail. We are talking about the Snapdragon 823 processor working its magic with 6 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, and a 4200 mAh battery should be powering a 5.8-inch screen. The leak does not say, but we can assume it will be the usually Quad HD OLED treatment. Like its S7 sibling, the Note 6 will be rated IP68 for water protection. The camera will apparently be assisted by infrared-based autofocus technology. Thought it could be a slip of the tongue. He could not have mean laser. If we are talking about Samsung, that's likely going mean a double curved edge display. If we see further evidence put through for this tidbit, it will be interesting to hear the S7 Edge Plus get obviated. The battery as told here is a bit more generous than the straight up 4000 mAh. We have previously speculated about everything else except for the autofocus bit as a pretty much hash around before, and as much as we like hash around here, let's see what Samsung doing. And the last one from the Sony. This is the unreleased Sony Xperia C6 Ultra in new render concept video. Just a few short months after the formal introduction of the massive Xperia C5 Ultra selfie powerhouse, the Sony was already speculated to be working on a slightly smaller sequel render in showing a oddly asymmetrically designed with a hug chin and virtual non-vertical screen bezels in two, but then a reportedly C6 Ultra variant cropped up in the live pics, nicely slimming down all the borders. It remains unclear if the both a Sony Xperia C6 Ultra and a regular C6 are in the pipeline. All thought the former comes a comeback in the rumors will today as the internet second most prolific mobile tipster, compiled as a 3D concept video based on the original factor imagery shared but trustworthy informants. There are also a still glow on no matter how you look at the phablet. It's big, bad, clean and elegant, refreshing low profile fashion, but vertically and horizontally display bezel seems razor thin and the frame measure 8.4mm, up slightly from the 8.2mm waist from the C5 Ultra. In height and width, the C5 Ultra and the C6 Ultra reportedly alike, but you will be able to easily distinguish the two. That's because the new guy repositioned the rear facing camera on the top left corner while considerably sizing up the selfie shooter. Speaker of you are likely looking at a closer 20 or 16 megapixel sensor here. Will octa-core MediaTek Helio P10 muscle under the hood and 2GB of RAM and 16GB expandable storage. The 6-inch panel should deliver the same old Full HD resolution. And thought the C family tips are obvious. Prospective Xperia C Ultra or XA Ultra branding is not be rules out. So let's see when the Sony launch the C6 device. So guys, that's it in this video. Hope you know something about the tech. So guys, thanks for watching and we will see you in a very next one. Have a great day.